Hey guys, this is Luis with Front End Solutions again, and this time we're gonna go install a sign at a restaurant in Lancaster. It's about 25 minutes from here, and it's a wall sign indoors. So don't go anywhere, we'll show you how we do it, alright? Okay, so we're here. I'm gonna get the scaffold down, we're gonna set it up, and we'll start the installation. Alright guys, we're done and the customer is now coming to take a look at it. If you have any questions, put them there in the comments. And thank you for your time. We'll see you in the next video, right? Bye.